Hello, my watermelons. Today I'll be teaching you another math question. Find the area of these triangles. Scale. 1 square equals 1 centimeter. So we have a bunch of triangles here. I'm going to number them. This one's going to be A, this one's going to be B, C, and D. So how we work this out is we have the height and we have the base. So I'm just going to draw a triangle even though there's triangles there. That was bad triangles. So here. So how we do it is we find the highest point and we count how many squares there are. Pretend there's 5 in here and pretend at the bottom there's 7. So we need to do 7 times 5, then divided by 2, then it equals something. So we could do 7 times 5, which equals 35, then divided by 2. So then it would be something with 0.5 in it. It would be 17.5. Didn't put that one there. So there's 5 at the base. You can see this is the base. There are 5 squares. You can't see it. And the height is 7. There are 7 squares. Okay, so now I'm going to go on to A, not B. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 squares, so we can just write 5 here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are also 5 squares at the base, so we need to do 5 times 5 divided by 2, which equals 25 divided by 2 equals 12.5 centimeters squared. I'm going to write that M again. So centimeters squared. So now moving on to B, we can see the highest point is here. So then we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 squares. So then at the base, you can see here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares at the base. So now we need to do 5 times 6 divided by 2 and it equals something. So let's work it out right now. Oh, wait. I have no idea what 5 times 6 divided equals is. I'm going to add that too. So 5 times 6 equals 30. So then 30 then divided by 2, which equals 15. So 15 is the answer. So I'm going to write that in thick. cm squared. There. So now, C, this is the highest point. So it starts here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares. Then at the base, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares as well. So we need to do 6 times 6 divided by 2. So 6 times 6 equals 36. And divided by 2 equals 18. Thick. 18 centimeters squared. So now, on to D. The highest point is here. So it starts over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. There are 7. The height is 7. So then the base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is 8 at the base. So 7 times 8 divided by 2 equals something that we're going to figure out. But I think if 7 times 8 might be too hard, so we can do 8 divided by 2 first, which equals 4. Then 7 times 4 equals 28 centimeters squared. It's 28. Now I'm going to summarize the whole thing. A triangle is 12.5 centimeters squared. B triangle is 15 centimeters squared. C triangle is 18 centimeters squared. And D's area is 28 centimeters squared. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, and I hope you learned something.